Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Septia Ardiani and I'm from Graphic Engineering Polytechnic Negeri Media Kreatif Jakarta. Today I would like to talk about development of watermelon rain waste based on paper towel. Introduction. Paper towel are paper products that have survived to this day. The use of wood for paper is increasingly significant so that it can cause widespread deforestation and can even damage nature. Watermelon rind has the potential to be used as an alternative for making paper because of the cellulose content. The cellulose content is about 20%. Watermelon rind waste as a biomaterial waste has never been used as a raw material for paper making. Method. The paper towel manufacturing process has several stages. There was preparation. We get watermelon rind from dormitory, food store, and household. The second, the drying process. We dry use oven. The third, pulping process. We use sodium dioxide 2.5 molar for sample 1 and 1 molar for sample 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, bleaching process. We use aluminum sulfate and hydrogen peroxide solution, VCO, and cytosan. The last process is printing. From this process, we get 5 samples, sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4, and sample 5. After that, we do a characterization for all the sample. Result and discussion. This is the sample of paper towel from watermelon rain. Sample 1, paper towel use of sodium hydroxide 2.5 molar with pulp recycling. Sample 2, paper towel use of 1 molar sodium hydroxide with pulp recycling. Sample 3, paper towel use of 1 molar sodium hydroxide. Sample 4, paper towel use of 1 molar sodium hydroxide with additive. And the last, sample 5, paper towel use of 1 molar sodium hydroxide with 110 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes with 10 days of the natural drying. The next, and this is the schematic diagram of Fourier transformation infrared. Fourier transformation of watermelon rain native display a number of peak at various wave numbers pertaining to different function group. The function group that were lost after the pulping process were aldehyde, alkenyl, alkane stretch, and aromatic ether stretch. The functional group that emerged after the pulping process were thiocyanate, isothiocyanate, alkene, open chain imino, aliphatic fluorocompound stretch, and aliphatic fluorocompound stretch. While the surviving group are hydroxy, methylene, methyl, primary amino stretch, and hydroxy in plain band. This is the microscopic structure of paper towel fiber with magnitude 400. This is the figure of the microscopic structure based on figure A, that the fiber in commercial tissue have long fiber. Based on figure B and C, it can be seen that there are long fiber. Based on figure G and E, it can be seen that the native watermelon rain fiber is short. Thus, the manufacture of paper towel from watermelon rain should be added with material that have long fiber, such as wood and recycled paper. This is the table of characterization. All variation of watermelon rain paper towel are meet the standard of SNI about tissue and tissue product. Paper with high grammar shown the high number of the fiber content with positive correlation. Sample 5 shown the large grammage value because the drying process is carried out until the content in the watermelon rind is lost. Thus, more pulp will be formed compared to other sample drying process. All sample had absorption value that met SNI standard 2. For thickness were used to calculate tensile strength of paper towel. Tensile strength is indicated of the strength derived from factors such as fiber strength, fiber length, and bonding. Based on the table, the tensile value of paper towel is 385.2 Newton per meter. The value is in accordance with SNI standard. And this is the table of optical characterization and chemical characterization. The principle used in paper brightness is the brightness or degree of whiteness of paper, which can be measured with Yante tool data, and the results are read directly in percent units. Sample 1 and 2, 4 have a high degree of brightness due to the bleaching process. Meanwhile, sample 5 has the lowest degree because there is no bleaching process. The power of hydrogen value is essential to be noticed since it affects the skin response when contacting the paper. SNI standard for paper towel in the rank of 6 to 8. All of the variation of watermelon rind are higher than standard. It is because the addition of sodium hydroxide in the pulping process and the pulp washing process was not optimal. Conclusion: the natural paper towel from watermelon rind waste meet the standard of SNI 7891, 20, and 17 about basic paper towel within the parameter of grammage and water absorption capacity and tensile strength, except the parameter of power of hydrogen extract and fluorescence. That's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.